You are probably training Meta to send you time wasters if you are running ads and you are sending people straight to your DMs or WhatsApp, because there is a good chance that Meta is optimizing for the wrong thing, which are messages, but your goal is to make sales, right? You might be getting lots of messages, but not necessarily lots of buyers. And here's why. Most digital marketers tell you that boosting posts is improper use of your funds to a certain degree because what? It lacks the ability to track and optimize for your conversions. Of course, it might be getting you some sales, but it could even be better. And while advanced campaign setups or advanced audience targeting matter, it comes down to one thing, which is tracking and optimization done by the pixel. When you run an ad that sends people directly to your DMs or WhatsApp, Meta will find people who are likely to message you, but not people who are likely to buy from you. And that is why you get many messages like, "Hi, are you available? How much? I'm interested," but they barely turn into sales. Now, compare that to sending people to a simple conversion focused sales page with a Meta pixel installed on it before they get to your WhatsApp. Three things happen. First, it creates a small amount of friction. People have to take an extra step before they get to your WhatsApp. This cuts off casual browsers, many of them, and then leaves you with more serious leads. Second, the sales page answers common questions upfront. It provides details about the product, pricing, benefit, and other important details, which means fewer repetitive conversations and fewer unqualified inquiries, which saves you time. Third, and this is the most important, Meta now has better data to work with. This is because the people reaching you on WhatsApp are no longer casual browsers which clicks around and then landed in your WhatsApp. They have gone through your buying process and have shown stronger buying intent. Over time, the pixel helps Meta to identify people who behave like those higher quality leads and then send them to you, which can drastically improve your results. This is exactly why conversion-focused sales page ads often outperform direct messaging ads. So if you are serious about getting higher quality leads or buyers, consider using a sales page or an e-commerce store. If you need help creating a sales page, an e-commerce store, or installing Meta Pixel properly, reach out to me via DM and I'll assist you out. Be sure to like and follow for more content like this.